coffee yet. Got no makeup. How do you look so fine? Bust up, bust up. How did I make you mine? Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute.
Where are we going? We're going Chicago. We're just gonna park our car. So, hindi ko papakita yung details namin nandito. And it says free airport shuttle operates 24/7. We part every 30 to an hour. Ayan, sobrang mura. Oversized vehicle. So, magkano to babe per day?
I ended up spending $60 on it for 7 days.
7 days.
50 probably.
This is cheaper than Wally Parker, right?
Yeah, because Wally would be
Yeah. Initially, we plan na mag-park sa metro train ng LA kasi bagong bukas siya. But, may maximum pala na 3 days. May monthly sila pero parang wala kaming travel for the next week. So, kasi 1 week na kami sa Chicago. So, right now, hindi muna namin kukunin yung monthly. Pero gusto kasi namin i-try yung train. Kaya, nasuggest ko rin yun. But, this is a nice and cheap way para mag-park. Pero kung sa Pinas to, hindi mo na poprobahin kasi yung car na maghahatid sa'yo, uuwi din. Hindi siya, affordable gawin dito kasi unang-una, lahat ng tao dito may car. Iba-ibang sizes pa. Depends on the household. Second, Uber. Sobrang mahal ang Uber dito. $200 to $300 from our area to airport. And you need to tip. Kasi it's rude not to tip. And pangatlo, mas okay na nandito yung car namin para pag uwi namin, diretso na kami ng bahay. Kesa maghanap pa kami ng susundo sa amin, mag-aantay yung buhay. And ganyan ang mga taga-LA pag nagta-travel. Independent pa din. Mahirap umasa talaga. Hirap dito. Kailangan mag-independent ka sa lahat ng bagay. We're here. We're getting our luggages. We're here at United. And so, babe, can you help me here?
Huh?
Can you lift that? Oh my God! Sobrang daming tao and we're gonna go to the lounge. Check in, go to the lounge. It's so busy. We check in our luggage. Now, papunta na kami sa lounge to eat. Because we're so hungry. Here I am. Okay, going to the United Club. Okay, here's me, Ram. Here I am walking through. Okay, I'm gonna eat good food here kasi maraming pagkain dito. And here. So, ano kayong lunch? Ito yung lunch last time. Ito lang. Ano yung lunch? Pinuntahan namin lagi. Mas makikita mo doon yung status ng flight, may kape. May kape kaya ako. May nuts, water. Yan pa. Let's see kung anong food. Yan, unlimited na yung drinks. Here's coffee. What do they have here? Siyempre, hindi pa tayo nakaupo. Kuha na tayo ng food. So, may salad dito. This is corn. What's that? Turkey Swiss wrap. So, we got a Swiss wrap. Meron ding egg water, crust, thin sandwich, crackers, cheese. I don't want cheese. These are chicken lemon soup. Should I get the soup? Chorizo spice tofu. Vegetarian risotto. Kala ko tutulog ako. Ay, tutulog ako.
Yeah, the one will put your
Ito, pork, pulled chicken, okay, rice. Oh, rice. And Tabasco. Here. Ano pa? Wala na. Ano to? Dessert. We're boarding. Time check, babe.
10:50.
10:50. Hindi kayo mawawala kasi sobrang daming signages. And even nasa labas kayo, it will tell you na this is the train going there. Tapos may mga connecting building. Kahit hindi kayo magtanong, makikita nyo pa rin yung mga signages. In there. And we're just walking our way going to the connecting train. And even yung connecting train, may mga signages yan. Woohoo! So, welcome to Chicago. Sobrang organized ng station na to. Ng airport. Sobrang linis. Lahat properly labeled and signed. And tapos, walang homeless. Yung mga police talaga yan, dalawa. Tatlo sila. On duty talaga, and mind you, it's only 6 a.m. We landed here 5:30. Yan o, hindi magulo. Niloloka ako. Got in the bus. Got this card. And we're going to Kasama. We've arrived at Kasama. Close pa sila. And here's our luggages. Because we stopped by here before our hotel. We're here at the Midland Hotel. May driver sa gilid. Then, ito yung main parang lounge. Then sa gilid, dun yun yung check-in. Tsaka yung mga rooms. Room tour. So, lagay natin ang gamit natin dito. Okay. Ito yung room namin. We have a king size. Complimentary water. For wine. Nothing really. What's this? Vault. Ito may small na office setup. Then, what's this? For the power. Then, decent size sa TV. Okay, here, king size bed. Okay, turn on the lights, babe. I mean, there's no view from here, but it's okay. We have a walk-in closet. It's a mirror. Okay, there's no light. Pero may vault again. May plancha. Meron tayong tawag dito, babe. What do you call this?
It's It's ironing board.
Ironing board. So, malaki yung bathroom. Magandang blower, but I don't have my own blower. And shower. Oops, so nice. So, ito yung outside ng hotel namin. Merong dry bar. Iniwan muna namin yung gamit. Yeah, we're in the heart of the city and that's nice kasi Ram had coffee. Pumalis kami. Yung pagbalik namin, there's a line na. Dumating kami kanina around before 7. Tapos na bumalik kami 8:12.
You want the black truffle croissant?
Yeah, black truffle.
Black truffle croissant. And then what's the rice one?
The Filipino breakfast.
The Filipino breakfast. And then what coffee do you want?
Iced or hot yum. That's the ube latte.
That's a ube latte.
Yeah. This is the restaurant. They're busy. You got this. Sino? The hat. Chicago East 2020 kasama. Thank you. Look at the line. Time check.
Yeah, babe, you look cute.
10:19. And itong nasa gilid, mag-take out na lang sila kasi
Okay.
imposible na sa kanila.
Inside, so they have to eat outside.
Oo, hindi na sila makakakain sa loob. Lahat to pupunta lang sa festival. You can tell by their bag at saka sa outfit. This is the situation. Whoa. Look at this influx of people coming. Oh my god, there's military here. Ooh, look at that. There's a chopper. Look at that. It's like 400,000 people. Day one. See that? We came in there. And we're gonna go Wilco. Look. Okay. So we're trying to get our pass. That's the city. And this is the so we're trying to get our tickets, but I think it's in the other side. Beautiful city. This is the main entrance. I don't know if you can see it from here. What's the main entrance? Hey, where are we going? There's a lot of police in here. But mataas siya, so it's hard to see from here. This is the wristband assistance. For assistance only. Look at the line. So crazy. I'm gonna get our tickets. That's the box office. We got it. What if they bought a fake? Works. What is this place? It's like a United Nations something. Hydration station. So that's Ram. He's getting water for us. Oh, that's how you do it, the hydration. It's from well. Getting our water. It's a sensor. Babe, I'm well. Can I drink first, then you fill it up again?
Yeah, see the issue is it's small. We need two. You gotta get one too. Okay.
This is the merch. Ay, yung kanina.
So one of the line, it's like all Lollapalooza, like Lollapalooza hat, and then one of the tents, it's the band's merch, specifically
Or the
for the band.
artist.
Yeah. Go right here, babe.
This is Bacardi. Do what moves you. Oh my gosh. Look at that. You can just party there. They put the carpet kasi maputik. Pero these are the vendors that do cocktails. There's a bar. So yung mga bar, nilagay lang nila sa gilid. Ayan, ganyan. So yung pricing nila,
Yeah, it's expensive. I think our lounge, it's either free or you get a discount.
yeah. So, syempre, may markup na to kasi vendor na sila dito. But, we're going to our lounge kasi we gotta see 3 guests. So, ito yung mga desserts naman yan. Parang masarap. Gelato del Mondo. May line din siya. Mahaba na din. So, yun ang problem here. If you're gonna get food, it will take you like maybe an hour para lang makakuha kasi sobrang haba ng pila.
So when I was like looking at Reddit, like 4 years ago, it used to be free gas and stuff. Like,
This is bigger than Coachella. There's so many vendors and like people are just walking and like you know, some of them are resting kasi mamaya yung headliners mamayang gabi pa. So Ram got a hat. It's a purple hat, babe. Show it. Lollapalooza hat. And there's no line here, so we're gonna check out what's in here. Ooh, that's so cool. Ito yung line up. So cute. I got the medium. Small talaga ang size ko kasi malapad yung shoulders ko. Pero you want baggy, go for medium. The chaos. Everyone. Look. Many people going to look home. From Tequila. You must be 21 to enter. So is that here? Let's go. Where are we going? Ooh, so cool. Let's visit that.
still have to buy it.
So, dun kami galing kanina, tapos kakatabi lang, ito na yung party space. So, everyone can get in and party. May dusted disco, Oh, it's crowded. And Ram got his skirt steak. Restroom yan from there all the way there. Round 2 because we're super hungry. Oh, take a bite. Everyone's here eating. It's super crowded. Look at that. We don't want to go eat in the guest lounge kasi yung guest lounge walang pagkain.
Well, I'm having the best time. Thank you again so much for being here and waiting to see my son. It really means the whole world. I love doing these shows. I love playing music so much.
Chicago water taxi, you're gonna go down. This is the line going to Chinatown. Pwede kayong bumili doon.
Thank you.
Thank you. What is that?
You don't want that? You don't want to be outside this?
No, I'm fine.
Sit at the back?
Oh, we can stand there.
Chinatown. Oh, this is like the Aura Square or whatever. Yeah, we didn't get it.
First serving, we got xiaolong bao, shrimp dumplings, and another shrimp but different variety lang to. Wow, for lunch, we have this. It's like candies everywhere. So to, $14 per half pound. Tapos yung other candies, $16 like this. It's like caramel. Tapos ito naman, mga wala sa plastic na candy. Ooh, Choco Baby. May high chews. May mga matcha flavor. This is like the rare flavors.
Yeah.
And yan here, Panda, Meiji. They have ice cream, waffle, wafer. Oh, they have crepe. Babe, they have crepe. They have crepe.
Oh, they do? Like all pre-made though?
Oh, it's so good. A wafer sandwich. Oh, babe, this is the samango. Ice cream. Oh my god. No, it's not frozen. It's a chiller. Yeah, oh my god. Plain buns. Cream. The mogu-mogu. It's like coconut. The mogu-mogu basta.
Yeah, I know, yeah.
I forgot the coconut something. Oh, this is where I bought the ice cream. It's the same as the ice cream that we got. We have juice, soft drinks in here, mochi. So many mochi. And the market.
Ice cream, not fried chicken.
What's this? Wow, 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 wow. But they have Pokemon. Maybe they have Pokemon. Ay, kasi naman. They have Pokemon here. Naruto. Sanrio. Hulu here. Wow. Vitamin C. With the mango ice cream.
I was gonna take the time to sit down and. Okay, there is a crossing point.
Thanks. Told you.
Say that. Wow. Let's introduce ourselves. 1, 2. Hey, it's cat time. Hi, Chicago. I'm Sophia. This is crazy. Our very first festival stage in Chicago. And it's here with all of you. We've been waiting for this moment for so long. Voila!
Quesadilla. Chicago's legendary dip dish.
Deep dish Chicago style pizza.
Chicago style dip dish pizza. So how you eat it?
Banana pizza. Small, so there's slices. That's what they're famous for. It's very deep. But it's meant. It's hot. And it's sausage.
We have fries and Chicago style meatballs. Let's eat. Ito kaliit yung elevator. Ayan. Ganyan lang kaliit. We only have 2 luggages. 1 hand carry and 1 XL.
This is a
Then
4?
kami nakatayo na kami.
This is a
Ganyan.
4-star hotel.
Yeah, it's a 4-star. So yan. For reference, masikip. This is our room. Ayan. Ito yung bathroom. Ayan. Bathroom. Decent size naman siya. At least, malaki yung bathroom. May overhead shower. Mirror here. Here's our luggages. Ayan. May TV. May queen size bed. And ayan, 16th floor tayo. Ayan, siya kalaki. Not bad. Starbucks Reserve. We're gonna go inside. A Monday craze. Babe, Monday lang ngayon ah. Grabe. Different countries. Where's Philippines? This is the place. There's a bar area. What's that? Art of Espresso Martini. The bar area. Ano? Dami nilang bar. Hey, first time. What's this? Ask questions. It's crazy. What's this? A bar? Famous bar?
It's a bar. Bigger.
Nasa labas sila. Ito yung main road. Ito yung stadium. That's the stadium. Pop Mart. That's a cute dog. We're here in the city. Wings of Mexico. sobrang init. Pero ito yung view ng restaurant na to. Maganda yung restaurant, magandang service, and napakalinis ng bathroom. Yung London House.
I think I started mapping. I was thinking it was over there.
London House. Oh, by letter. Order na kami, pero pag nag-dine kayo dito, 1 hour lang siya. Pero hindi naman sobrang mahal ang food. Unlike nung kasi kala ko mahal, sobrang mahal ang food. Tapos ito na yung view mo. Ayan. Trump Building. Tapos ito. Ayan. So, exclusive ka na kasi meron siyang harang. Yeah, burger. Nice. Thank you. This is the rooftop. Oh, I wanna see that. I'm scared. The airport. Sumakay kami ng LAX Metro Connector. Tapos pinagba kami dito sa discharge only 3. Then pasakay kami ng metro. Ganito itsura niya. So ito yung Metro Transit Station. Ito naman siya, may vending machine. First time namin sumakay. Bike hub. Get tayo. First time namin i-try yung train station. Pasakay kami sa C. Oops. First time. Ganyan siya, oh. Malaki siya. Pero wala pa babe hanggang Ventura, no? Kasi kung meron hanggang Ventura o kaya Northridge, we can connect it hanggang Agora. Wala masyadong tao. Tapos, $1.75 lang siya. Baba kami, Norwalk. Ay, hindi pala. Hanggang Santa Monica. We're still navigating things here because it's our first time. May photo booth, oh. Ganda, wala masyadong tao. Kasi nga bagong bukas lang to. 2 weeks ago. Yan. So bicolor and letters. Pag binuksan mo yung Google Maps mo, it will tell you. Tapos nakalagay na sa wallet namin yung aming card. Ayan yung exit. Bababa kami. Just follow yung letter C and color. Kasi ganun din naman sa ibang metro.
950 SAFE 7233 or use Metro Transit Watch app.
Ano? Kabilang tao dito. So, yun yung hagdan. Pero nag-elevator kami. Tapos paglabas mo, ayan. Hawthorne. And our parking is that Way. Ganyang kalapit. 0.1 mile. Ayun na. So, kung di ka naman nagmamadali, this is one of the cheapest way para magpunta ng LAX. First time namin and so far satisfied. Pero, ang dumi-dumi lang talaga nitong Hawthorne Station. Sira, ang dami na agad sira. Babago pa lang bukas. And, ang dumi na niya. Ang daming homeless. Diba? Andito na kami. Go Park VIP. Yan yung pangalan. Go Park. Sobrang mura.